Guys, please share those pictures of those criminals that are kidnapping kids and adults. People, please keep on sharing. Keep on sharing as I believe. These people, they need to trend everywhere. One voice can save all people around the world. So as I believe, please don't take it lightly. These people are not good. They are very dangerous. They are raping young kids, adults as well. Keep on sharing their pictures everywhere on the groups. As I believe, guys. Imagine if you don't share it now and only to find out that they're gonna kidnap one of your family. Please, guys, as I believe. Make it trend. These guys, two of them, they are very dangerous. Thank you so much. Kindly regards, over and out.